Today, I'd like to talk to you about the pain that we have from here going down to the hand. So, whoever watched the one that you can release your wrists, this is the continuation. When you have pain here, you have to follow it until you reach this point here. In my body, there is a point already marked from birth, so I don't forget how to press it. Anyway, you need to massage with your other hand around here and around here and release all this line up and down. Find all the tension points and just work this direction, or I have to get up to show you this direction, and you massage it and you follow until you reach the hand. This is very helpful for people that work with computer, people that work with their mobile phone, or for every other action that is actually tiring your hand. So you feel sometimes the pain here or here, but it's originally from here. So in the next videos, I will explain how to follow pain and reach the source. Stay tuned.